Hey, what's up guys? Just want to do a quick unboxing of this Vanity mirror. So this is the box that it comes in. It's wrapped up tight in styrofoam. See, in the top of this piece here, we have another little box that has a power cord. Then another little bubble wrap here with a mirror in it and suction cups. And then the mirror itself wrapped up here. Your instructions. And then here's just a look at the mirror here. Light bulbs, nice stand, it feels heavy duty, nice grip on the bottom, that feels good. And then there's your power inlet there. So it's a really nice feeling mirror, it looks nice. I'm excited to plug it in and then I'll show it to you again once it's sitting where it should be.